Everybody got a story to tell. Everybody got a hallelujah. Everybody been through a little hell. When you're rolling down a two-lane highway and you turn your radio on, tell me which one hits you, baby. Yeah, what's your country song? Yeah, what's your country song? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you how to play the new Thomas Rhett song. This is What's Your Country song. I think it's his newest one. Anyway, this is a great song. Yeah, I love Thomas Rhett. So this is one of his simplest songs too. Usually he's got some pretty difficult stuff going on, or a lot of times he does, but this one he doesn't. So super easy. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Please request other songs you'd like to learn, whether they're country or rock or punk or something like that, in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to them for you. So yeah, the song's super easy. Before I go into it, just please hit subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials, and please hit like as well so that YouTube will serve the video up to more people. Okay? All right, so you're gonna put a capo on the 3rd fret. All right, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have it in standard tuning, so that's nice too because it's really easy to play. So I'm gonna show you a couple things here. I'm gonna walk you through the chords you're gonna use, and when you're going to use them, and the strumming pattern, okay? So you're going to start with B minor, okay? All right, so B minor. Then you're also going to do G. I'm doing this G. It doesn't matter. If you're more comfortable doing this one, in fact, it's probably easier if you do this G, because then you can just go from G to D, okay? Like that. But I'm using this one. But either way, it's totally whatever's easiest for you, okay? What you think sounds better and stuff. So you G, you're going to do D, and then you're going to do A5. And all A5 is, this is going to be one of the easiest chords you'll ever do, is you're going to put your pointer finger, okay, on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo on the D string. Okay, that's it. All right, that's A5. So super easy, okay? So the way you play the song to start is you're going to do okay, so you're just going to do, you're not always going to do that strumming pattern, or sorry, that chord progression, but you are going to do it at the beginning and for the first verse. So you're going to do B minor, G, A5, D, okay? So you do, did you grow up on a tractor? Okay, so you do B minor is on did. Did you grow up on a tractor? Okay, tractor is G. You're just doing single strums for this, okay? Now, if you want for the intro part, you can play it faster like they do the chorus. You can go down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down. Okay? So you're going to do down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay? So it's just that down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, okay? So you would do that twice, I believe, and then you're gonna go into the verse, and the verse is just single strum. So it's B minor on did. Did you grow up on a tractor? Okay, tractor is G, tractor. Did your daddy? Okay, so did. All right, for the second sentence, did your daddy let you drive? That did is A5. Did your daddy let you drive? Okay, drive is D, so that's easy to remember. Drive. Are you whiskey? Okay, so kind of like right before R, you do B minor. Are you whiskey? Are you whiskey bent and hellbound? Okay, hellbound is going to be G, hellbound. Okay, then A5 again. Even though your mama tried. So on like mama is where you can do D, okay? Even though your mama tried. Okay, then you're gonna do B minor again. Did you cruise down a back road? Okay, so B minor is on right before did. Did you cruise down a back road? Okay, back is G, back road. With your Dixieland. Okay, so with, right before with is A5. With your Dixieland. Land is D, landy light. Are you on? Okay, so before R is B minor. Are you on the Chatta? Okay, Chatta is G, Chattahoochee. On a barefoot. Okay, so before on is A5. On a barefoot blue jean. Okay, blue is going to be D. Blue jean night. Okay, then you're going to do the strumming pattern that I said at the beginning, but you're going to do it for different. The chord progression is a little bit flipped. So what you're going to do is, instead of doing B minor, G, A5, D. Okay, that's what you did at the beginning, but for this part you're going to do it B minor, G, then you're going to do D, A5. And you're going to start that over, okay? You're going to do that throughout most of the chorus. You're going to do everybody got a small town anthem. I'm playing it real slow for you, okay, so you can kind of see. So it's B minor on everybody. Everybody got a small is G, small town anthem. Then after anthem you do D. Everybody got a story. Okay, story is A5. Story to tell. Okay, then you go to B minor after tell. Everybody got a hallelujah is G. Hallelujah, D. After hallelujah. Everybody been through it. Through is A5. Through a little hell. Okay, then after hell you do B minor. When you're rolling down a 2. Okay, 2 lane is G. 2-lane highway. Okay, after highway you do D. And you turn your radio. Okay, radio is A5. Radio on. Okay, then B minor. Tell me which one hits. Hits is G. Hits you, baby. Okay, then you do D. Yeah, what's your country? Okay, country is A5. Country song. Then you do B minor, G, and then you do A5. Yeah, what's your country song? So A5 is on yeah. Yeah, what's your country song? Okay. Then you're going to play like the intro again. Once you're going to do B minor, G, A5, D, and then go into the second verse. And again, for the verses, you're just doing single strums, okay? Just like that. Okay, same thing for like the bridge. You can do that same thing, okay? So that's how you play the song. It's really easy. If you want me to go over that, well, I'm not going to give you time to ask me. All right, I'm just going to do it real quick. So you're going to do the strumming pattern for the chorus is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's how I would end the song, is just on that D strum, okay? Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun learning this song and teaching it to you, and see me next time.